Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In today's video you will find out how the price of NEO has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and Stochastic Rsi are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the hourly time frame for NEO, the price dipped down with around 4.1%. But then came up again in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 18.1. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 100 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA which is currently at 18.0 it could be seen as a support and the 50 SMA that is at 18.3 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, we can see that the price is situated in the hourly ribbon, so it is yet to be seen if the price can break the resistance currently at around 18.1. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Looking at the hourly Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is over the %D line, which means the current trend is to the upside. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 50 SMA will play as resistance or the price will peak above the current price which is around 18.2. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 19.0. The ribbon is relatively spread out so the resistance should be considered. Looking at the 3-hourly Stochastic Rsi, there are no signs of the Stochastic Rsi being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA will play as resistance or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 22.4. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, the price at the moment is situated below the daily ribbon, which is usually bearish and the ribbon can act as a resistance, so you should keep an eye on if the price will break it or bounce of it. The current price to watch is around 26.3. The ribbon is relatively spread out so the resistance should be considered. Moving to the daily Stochastic Rsi, both the %K and %D lines are in the lower region, which means that the price is getting oversold and soon a trend change or at least some kind of consolidation could be expected. You should wait to see if there will be an upward trend to the crypto because the K line has not yet crossed the D line. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions as cryptocurrency trading is very risky and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.